That's Just Penny here. Don't forget to start collecting your That's Just Penny angels. And when you get 5, there's specific things that you can get for free. So check that out. Also, I have a new planner sticker set as well that goes with the quilted hearts. I printed these on vinyl sticker paper, and then I'll run them through my machine. So don't forget, check out the little angels. And then I have a new sticky note. Well, these are actually weekly planner sticky notes that you can put on your dashboard of your planners or use in your journals. And this is the little weekly planner. And there's 3 different styles. And this goes with the Quilted Hearts journal and pocket kit. And then I have February planner. Yes, I created my own planner. It's a monthly planner, and it's a dot gridded planner monthly, and it's just 1 month, but it's all the weeks and things like that. So it is dot grid. It's very adjustable. There's the month calendar, the year calendar, and then we get into this, and it's Sunday. Of course, it starts with Sunday. You can start it however you want since it's a download, but you can see the times are from 12 a.m. till 9 p.m. You can actually put 10 down there if you want. So go check those out. The links will be down below.